Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can add more friends or how you can invite friends to Township. So let's get right into it. Township is a mobile game which was created by the studio called Playrix, and it is sort of a farming town building game similar to games like Farmville, which was on Facebook way back when, and it is currently also available for mobile phones. It is, I think, most similar, if not very, very similar to Farmville 2, and you can build your own town, create resources, expand your town, and so on and so forth. And it is very interesting if you like a game pretty much to spend your time. And yeah, as with Farmville, you can also add friends to your account, with which you can either, well, play together, use any bonuses that you require friends for, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of ways that you can use your friends in Township. However, there is also a few ways in which you can add friends to your account. The first one is to access your friends tab in the bottom left, and you can click invite friends. This tab which you access lets you do a couple of things. One is to get a unique invitation code, which is unique to your account, which you can then share with your friends via Facebook, email, however you would like. You can also use other players' invitation codes, which other people have sent you. And once you enter your invitation code by choosing enter, you type it in and that friend will be added to your list. You can also select the find friends tab and you can choose invite, through which you can pretty much invite random players to be your friends in Township, and so on and so forth. And the last option is to add Township players on Facebook, and then if you connect it to your Facebook account, you can see them as your in-game friends, and that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment if you want to leave a suggestion on which tutorials we should do and how we can improve them, and share them with your friends if your friends need any help. And yeah, that's it from me. I'll see you guys in another video.